Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Butterfly Prawns. Step 1: Marination. Clean the prawns. Take prawns as many as you want. Discard the head. Clean the prawns. Peel the shell and remove the legs, leave the tail part unpeel. Cut it as shown. Devein the shrimps. One more vein is here, remove this too. Use toothpick to remove the vein. It will come out easily. Repeat the same procedure for all the prawns. Peel and clean. Pull the vein out. Lower vein will easily come out with a knife. Perfectly clean prawns. Wash and pat them dry. Butterfly the shrimps as shown. Cut it as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all the prawns. Remove in a bowl. Salt to taste. Pinch of black pepper powder. Pinch of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Add 1 to 2 pinches of cumin powder. Pinch of onion powder. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Step 2: Preparing coatings. Take 1 cup plain flour. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 of a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Pinch of garlic powder. Combine well. Remove the flour on the flat surface. Keep aside. Remove breadcrumbs in another bowl. Beat 2 eggs in another bowl. Crack another egg. Keep aside. Step 3: Coat the prawns. First, coat marinated prawns with flour. Press prawns well on the flattened side. Now dip it in the beaten eggs. Coat with breadcrumbs. Repeat the same procedure for all. Coat well. Remove the excess flour. Dip it in the beaten eggs. Coat well with breadcrumbs. Press it well. If you have time, so freeze it for 1 hour. You can also store in a freezer bag once completely set. Make and freeze butterfly prawns are ready to freeze. Fry whenever you want it. Use within a month. Step 4: Frying. Heat up the oil for frying. Place breaded prawns in medium hot oil. Fry 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip and fry from another side. Once the shrimps are beautifully golden brown, remove it. Don't overcook, otherwise it'll be rubbery or gummy. Time to plate. Sprinkle some chaat masala on it. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Serve with ketchup. Crispy butterfly prawns are ready to serve. Hear the crunchiness. Dip it in the sauce and enjoy. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.